Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is July 10th, 2017. Taking a look at our current solar conditions, our solar wind speeds are sitting at 592.6 kilometers per second, so that's up today. 4.6 density as well. Taking a look at sunspot region AR2665, it continues to grow, and it is the biggest sunspot that we have had so far this year in 2017. However, this is not saying that this sunspot is that big compared to other sunspots in the past during solar maximums. Sunspot number 24. Our KP indices are coming down at 4 right now, and our 24-hour max was at 5. Looking at the SDO, we have our coronal hole that is now facing away from Earth and leaving picture with a smaller coronal hole forming in the west that will be Earth facing here in a couple of days. And I wanted to stress again, so far as big as 2665 has grown, we have not seen that much activity that has come from this sunspot. Now, with sunspot AR 2665, they are calling for a 30% chance of Class M flares, which are the medium-sized flares. A 5% chance for Class X flare. And of course, with the G1 storms, in the next 24 hours, we're looking at a 35% chance of activity in the mid-latitudes in the next 24 hours. Minor activity is 20%, and severe activity is only at 5%. Now, these are just mid-latitudes. And the upper latitudes, we're only talking about 10% active, 25% minor, and 55% severe. Now, these G1 storms mainly affect the higher latitudes. So that is the reason why I wanted to report this today, is that when we do get these G1 class storms, they only affect our higher latitudes, especially ones this week. Alright, taking a quick look at our weather here in the States. Right now, of course, for the last week, it seems like I've told you that the United States has had a good chance for showers and thunderstorms. That pattern doesn't change. The majority of our country has a chance of showers and thunderstorms, as you see here, where the severe weather is possible in the Ohio Valley and, of course, out west as well. Taking a look at our tropics, we know that our tropical system number 4 has dissipated, but now they are watching the next system that's coming off the coast of Africa. Way too early to determine which way this is going, but they do have a cone right now that is actively pointing towards the Gulf of Mexico. Mari?
A storm that hit French capital Paris on Sunday night, July 9th, 2017, dumped 1.9 inches of rain within 60 minutes, flooding streets, homes, and metro stations within minutes. It was the city's heaviest rainfall since records began in 1880. Also, South Korea entered their summer rainy season and have gotten up to 7 inches per hour. After record-breaking rains hit Japan this week, heavy rains are now spreading through the neighboring South Korea. The country was drenched with heavy rain yesterday and received up to 1.96 to 2.36 inches of rain per hour, and in places as much as 7 inches per hour. Heavy rains are expected to end the country's prolonged drought period. Another crazy storm that's ended a drought. Unbelievable. Back to you, Jake.
All right, that's going to do it for today, folks. Please like and share. We'll talk soon.